Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how does the auto replies work on Facebook automation. So let's get started. Simply choose the Facebook bot and go to first Facebook automation. The fourth option that you will get is auto replies. Simply click on auto replies and then you will get an option of add automation rule. Click on that. Simply you will get this drop down. So apply rule on all posts. That's question mark. If you turn on this, so the rule will be applied to all the posts, and if you turn it off, so you get an option to select a specific post as per your page configuration. And next option is a reply in, as like if you want to reply that direct message, or you can either go for comment. So let's say if I choose direct message, so I can enter my message here, and after that message which flow should trigger, that I can configure from this particular drop down. All right. And if I choose comment here, so similarly the comment that I want that it should be the reply of the particular message, I can write that particular reply here. All right. And this is how the auto replies works on Facebook. And once you are done with all these configuration, simply click on create a reply and then you are done. All right. So let me just really quickly do it. Okay. Okay, you can see that the auto replies has been updated successfully. Once the configuration is done, the customer will automatically get this thank you message, whatever as per our configuration here. In case if you have any doubts or any queries regarding the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.